How to grow red-tip Photinia fast. The red-tip Photinia Photinea x fraseri has striking, bright red new foliage. As the leaves mature, they change from red to copper, then eventually become dark green. Small, white flowers appear in the spring. A fast grower, the red-tip Photinia typically grows to be 10 to 12 feet high. It is very hardy, and with proper care will thrive in U.S. Department of Agriculture Plant Hardiness Zones 7 through 9. Things you will need: pruning shears, water, all-purpose fertilizer, fungicidal spray. Plant the red-tip Photinia in full sun. It can withstand intense heat, but it does need some chilling during the winter. It does not do well in tropical climates. Prune to maintain shape and control size during the spring or summer. Water the soil when it becomes dry. Photinias do not like waterlogged soil, so be sure to plant them in a well-drained area. Apply an all-purpose fertilizer during the growing season. Follow the package directions. Watch for black spots and blotches on the leaves. Red leaf Photinia is prone to black spot, a fungal disease. If you see signs of black spot, apply a fungicidal spray, which is available at garden centers.